sabi niya kay Roach, ibigay ko lahat. And Jerry fights with a lot of heart. Puso talaga. But needs to back it up. Sana ituloy niya yung atake sa katawan, no? Para
we
heard this Morel.
Morel comes back.
Still got about 9 minutes of boxing. Right. Okay, Morel running around, running away from that punch.
Ganyan naman talaga si Morel. And he's breathing a little heavily, si Eric Morel.
Parang feeling ko na nakaka-landing na si Peñalosa.
Yung punches para sa katawan niya, yun. Ay, sayang. He missed with that left.
Okay, after this fight, dalawa pang laban, Cesar Morales and Donato Donaire.
Jerry, kailangan yung medyo sugod ng sugod. Kailangan niya.
Well, that's what, yun nga ang sinusubukan niya dito sa huling tatlong round kasi alam niya medyo nandihado siya sa unang 7 rounds.
He cannot wait. Hindi pwede tigin niya.
Pero grabe yung kaliwang mata ni Peñalosa. Halos, I'm sure hindi na siya makakita because there's blood all over it. Pero that's the result of the headbutt. Pero to si Jerry lalaban with all his heart. Lalaban para sa bayan. Pinoy power! And we got the Filipinos here cheering Jerry Peñalosa. Mas maraming Pinoy dito kaysa Latino.
Good combination again by Jerry. He's now really going after Morel.
Yeah.
And I think Morel is tiring and he's beginning to feel the power of Peñalosa.
Sana. 40 seconds to go dito sa round 10. Scheduled for 12. Oh, there's a deep cut in, above the left eye of Peñalosa at nung sa huling round ay si Alex Eriza na ang tumuntong sa ring at hindi na si Freddy Roach para to work that wound. Okay, we got Jerry now. Mas maraming suntok na binibitawan. We got 10 seconds, round 10, and Jerry pours it on the attack. Yeah! Okay, yan si Z the Dream Gores.
Yeah.
Watching the fights, alam mo, siya sana ang lalaban para sa world title against Fernando Matiel, but he had an unfortunate injury suffered in his fight last November.
Yung asawa niya si Duchess saka Tony Martin.
Yes, pero nagsisimula na ang rehab ni Gores, learning to walk again. At yan, kung gusto niya.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Natin. Okay, Jerry comes out of the corner, tumatakbo.
See, Morel is trying to press the action now so he can confirm his impression with the judges.
Yeah, all out ang inaasahan natin laban dito sa last 6 minutes. WBO Bantamweight Eliminator mula sa Las Vegas Hilton, ang lugar kung saan lumaban si Muhammad Ali at Leon Spinks in 1978, kung saan na-upset si Ali ni Spinks. So this is a very historical place for boxing.
It's also where Elvis Presley performed.
Oo nga.
And Liberace, the pianist.
Okay, maganda pa rin ang mga galaw ni Jerry Peñalosa, but that left eye,
that's really
vision is really
impaired. Mahirapan
Oo,
siya.
nahirapan siya.
Talaga.
Pero lalaban to until the end.
Ganyan naman siya.
Sigurado. I mean, he was also almost like that sa laban nila ni Juanma sa Puerto Rico. We got Eric Morel ng Puerto Rico.
Jerry
34 years old, Jerry 37.
Jerry has to try to draw him into a slugfest. He's not been able to do that so far.
Yeah, kasi pag palitan ng suntok, parang nananalo siya, no?
Yeah. by Jerry that time. Right hook as Morel walked into the punch.
Habang iniinda ang suntok ay gumagalaw po rin si Eric Morel. Pinoys, walang tigil ang sigaw dito para sa ating mandirigma, Jerry Peñalosa.
Pero mahirapan si Jerry. Really, honestly, Morel is winning this fight unless Jerry is able to do something really big. He hurt him that time with the body shot. But see, he dances out of trouble right away. Mabilis.
Okay, atake si Jerry Peñalosa.
But he holds again. Look at, tingnan mo.
Pag medyo
Tingnan mo.
natatamaan
Moro.
siya, nag-hold siya para to stop it, no?
Yeah, that should be a point deduction after several instances like that. Final 10 seconds.
Okay, Jerry. Sa loob. Morel
body shot.
trying to hold.
The crowd is really cheering Jerry on.
Yeah.
He hurt Morel again. Final 10 seconds. And Morel is going to run.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
Good left again by Jerry.